This is informalgadget.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons from Pandora on your lock screen. Now the lock screen doesn't usually come with the thumbs up and thumbs down, and so this easy free tweak from Cydia will allow you to do this. So the way you get the thumbs up tweak is you go into Cydia and you're going to search for thumbs up. So right now it's currently at 1.1-27 and it's a free download from the bigboss repo, so you don't have to download any other repos and it's free to download. So just go ahead and hit install and confirm, and it's going to force you to respring your Apple device. So go ahead and hit restart springboard. Now that you have restarted your springboard, all you have to do is just go to your settings app and you have to activate the thumbs up. So if you go down here to thumbs up, so just go ahead and find thumbs up and you're going to turn on the buttons. So that's to turn on the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. And you also have the options to hide the skip buttons. So if you don't want to see the skip forward and backwards, you could turn that on. But I like having both options on, so I'll just activate the thumbs up and then I could go ahead and start Pandora again. And now if I'm playing my Pandora app and I'm at the gym or I'm running or whatever I'm doing, I could easily just double tap the home button and now I have the option to thumbs up or thumbs down. When I thumbs down, it'll actually send me to the next song. If I thumbs up, it just thumbs up. I could keep listening to my Pandora music. And I also have the options for the skip. So if you do disable the skip, you won't see the forward or backwards on the Pandora app. But this app works really good. It eliminates me from having to go into my phone and opening up the app. I could just do it straight from the lock screen. If this tip helped you out, let me know down below. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, also let me know down below. And don't forget to visit informalgadget.com.